The following process describes the latest updates to manage lab orders in DS Core. Let's begin. The order overview now includes the following additional information: category like implantology, the team member that has placed the order, and the service provider fulfilling the order, like the preferred lab or Atlantis. The layout has also been adjusted. Patient name now appears in the first column, followed by status. This makes it quick to locate specific cases, supporting day-to-day efficiencies. Every column is now sortable, allowing you to quickly organize your orders. Filters are available for date and status, like requested orders. These enhancements make it easy to manage growing order volumes and stay organized, especially in collaborative environments. Additionally, every order is stored in your patient media library and part of the comprehensive record created for every patient. You can access the full patient history alongside X-ray or intraoral scans and collaborate in real time with labs using integrated chat and file sharing. And that's it. Be sure to check out our What's New section to learn about new DS Core features and functionalities. Thank you for watching.